My name is Sonia Hart, and I'm from Anchorage, Alaska. I got involved in permanent makeup because of client demand, and just my background is in makeup, and it just seemed like the next natural choice. I've been doing permanent makeup for 4 years now, ever since my first visit to 3D Brows. What led me to come here to 3D Brows was just doing some research. And I saw Patty's videos and they were amazing. She was so informative and direct. And this is my fourth time coming out to 3D Brows, and I started with microblading, then I did the lips liner and areola restoration. I've done SMP, and then this is my fourth time doing the masterclass for lips. With the masterclass on this visit, I'm hoping to learn more about technique and color and machines. And so I had followed Tess on YouTube. I found her because I was looking for a machine review, and I just really liked the information that she had and how open she was with sharing that information. It was really important. So when Patty found out that she was coming, Patty called me, and I was like, take my money, I'm coming. What I really wanted to share is that Patty and Jared and Sandy are amazing people. You guys are just so kind, and you just go out of your way to make the experience really amazing. And just, you know, and the fact that you communicate with me once I go back to Alaska is priceless, because I'm kind of an island out there. So being able to access you guys while I'm there is incredible. It's great. If I could go back 5 years ago, before I started permanent cosmetics, I would have come back so much sooner. I had clients asking me about it, and I was resistant because I was unfamiliar with it, and it was very new in Alaska. It still is very new in Alaska. So if I could do anything, I would have just gone for it. My name is Sonia Hart, and I am 3D Brows.